Chapter 11 Keeping Time with the Skies. Question number 1. Which calendar is based on the movement of the sun? Answer C. Solar calendar. Number 2. Which phase comes just after the full moon? Answer B. Warning gibbous. Question number 3. A lunar eclipse occurs when? Answer B. Earth comes between the sun and the moon. Question number 4. The time taken by the moon to complete one revolution around the earth is about? Answer C. 27 days. Question number 5. The phase of the moon when it is not visible from earth is called? Answer B. New moon. Question number 6. The moon appears to change its shape because? Answer C. We see different illuminated parts of the moon. Question number 7. What do we call the moon when it's more than half it but not full? Answer A. Gibbous. Question number 8. The changing shape of the bright portion of the moon from one day to another as seen from the earth are called? Answer B. Phases of the moon. Question number 9. The moon rises about dash minutes later each day. Answer C. 50 minutes. Question number 10. Which of the following is true? Answer C. The moon reflects sunlight. Question number 11. Calendars that use both sun and moon movements are called? Answer C. Lunisolar calendar. Question number 12. The warning period of the moon is called in India? Answer B. Krishna Paksha. Question number 13. The waxing period of the moon is called in India? Answer A. Shukla Paksha. Question number 14. A day is based on? Answer B. Earth's rotation. Question number 15. A solar calendar follows? Answer B. Seasons. Question number 16. Lunar phases are not caused by? Answer B. Earth's shadow. Question number 17. Lunar calendars fall out of synchronize with seasons because? Answer B. Year is shorter than a solar year. Question number 18. The Gregorian calendar is? Answer B. Solar. Question number 19. The moon appears closer to the sun in the sky as it? Answer B. Approaches new moon. Question number 20. The moon's position changes because it? Answer B. Orbits Earth. Question number 21. A waning moon is easiest to see? Answer A. At sunrise. Question number 22. The moon shines because it? Answer B. Reflects sunlight. Question number 23. Which phase shows more than half of the moon but not full? Answer C. Gibbous. Question number 24. A waxing moon is easiest to see? Answer C. At sunset. Question number 25. During waxing period, the moon's bright portions? Answer B. Increases. Question number 26. The bright part of the moon is due to? Answer B. Sunlight reflected. Question number 27. A lunar calendar follows? Answer B. Moon cycle. Question number 28. Space junk is a problem because it can? Answer B. Collide with working satellites. Question number 29. A satellite orbiting Earth is dash mad? Answer B. Artificially. Question number 30. Artificial satellites help in? Answer D. All of the above. A. Earth observation. B. Weather information. And C. Navigation. Question number 31. The CRC recommended Unified National Calendar was adopted in. Answer C. March 21st. Question number 32. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated after sighting the dash moon at the end of the Ramzan. Question number 33. What is mean by CRC? Answer B. Calendar Reform Committee. Question number 34. The Institute of Nuclear Physics in Kolkata was named after whom? Answer A. Meghnad Saha. Question number 35. The Indian national calendar follows the general principles as that of the. Answer C. Surya Siddhanta. Question number 36. Space debris refers to. Answer C. Disused satellite and parts. Question number 37. Magar Sankranti date is fixed because it uses. Answer A. Solar cycle. Question number 38. Diwali shifts date every year because the calendar is. Answer C. Lunisolar calendar. Question number 39. A tropical year is used in. Answer B. Solar calendar. Question number 40. A sidereal year is measured by. Answer C. Same stars rising at sunset.